Well, we're going catfish fishing today on the Yellowstone. We're launching here at the Bighorn, but we're going to be doing some catfish fishing. We went yesterday and we just had a great day, beautiful weather, good fishing.
Hey, we're ready for a day on the water here. It's 10 o'clock and just the time we said we were going to be getting off.
Joe?
Yes.
Joe, quit looking at the minnows and look up here, Joe. Joe, your wife made some nice cookies for us.
Well, thank you.
Here's my regular fishing line, and this is just a three-way swivel, and my swivel has two tags on it. One is for a 1 ounce weight, and sometimes we'll use 2 ounces if the current's a little stronger or if the wind's blowing our line around. And then we like these 1/0 circle hooks. 1/0 seems to be a good size. Sometimes the 2 and 3/0 get a little bit too big. And you just want to make sure that your tag line for your hook is just a little bit shorter than the line for your weight, and your weight when you cast it out just sits at the bottom, and your bait, which we use usually a minnow cut in half, it rides above it, and it's been working great. It's a begging. Yeah.
Get it? Here's Doc.
That is a pig. The size of that fish. What do you think of that, Cap?
Hey, all right, catfishing on the stone.
On the stone.
Nice little eater, little Yellowstone eater. Wow. Pretty little catfish. Love that yellow on them, that golden yellow.
Look at the smile on that fish. It's happy.
Yeah, we just discovered that one of the fish that we caught has a tag. We're going to write that number down and send that into FWP or wherever the place is that you send those tag numbers to, and find out a little bit more about it. Oh, I don't need the net for that.
Michael.
Sorry.
That's the one I threw away a while ago.
I appreciate it, Rod. With all of my heart.
You gonna baptize him in the Yellowstone?